Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to my channel. I am in Riga in Latvia and in a few minutes I'm going down to that boat to have a trip here in Riga. I will show you how that is going to be. You can see this is a boat completely made out of wood. I'm sure this will be a very nice trip. We are going to have a little crowd of people and myself. Over there we have some Chinese who is going to board the boat. There are many photographers here, not only me.
Okay.
Now we are starting the boat trip now. Wonderful. I love boat trips.
City Canal. The City Canal is an artificial light-bank canal of the river Daugava. In its current form, it was built during the liquidation of the city's protected ramparts in the canal was artificially formed. Originally it was a protected ditch, 90 meters wide, dug in 1650. Freedom Monument. The granite and copper monument in the center of Riga symbolizes Latvian statehood, national unity, independence and freedom. The monument was funded entirely by donations and constructed as a memorial to those who fell in Latvia's struggle for independence. University of Latvia. The University of Latvia, initially named as the Higher School of Latvia, was founded on September 28, 1919. The first rector of the university was chemist Paul Waldman. In 1923, the school received its current name with the approval of its constitution, University of Latvia.
This is the opera. The operas. Wonderful building.
Latvian National Opera. The Latvian National Opera and Ballet is an opera house and opera company in Riga. During a typical season, it delivers almost 200 performances, including, on average, 6 new productions. The largest hall is the Great Hall, which houses 946 seats. With the aim of managing and developing Riga passenger port. Every year, around 1 million passengers are served here. Riga passenger port as a quay for passenger ships, ferries and cruise ships was built in 1965. The architects were Modris Delsis and Vera Savisko, and the constructor Arnold Riels. The original project name was Sea Passenger Station.
A beautiful building. It's a place where you can have your lunch, sitting there and enjoying the canal. I was there earlier today. Wonderful place.
Just as we were going around the corner.
So, under the bridge. The boats yard. Wonderful. This is a dome church. Wonderful. This is a national library.
I almost said there.
This is a wild boat trip. Riga. Yeah, in Riga. Shipyard. Back on land. Safe and secure.